When power was the deciding factor in V6 versus V8 decisions, the V8 was going to win every time. Time and technology have changed things, and now there's a lot that goes into the old V6 versus V8 debate. Turbocharging, supercharging, or hybridizing a V6, adding electric motors to boost available power, can result in some astonishing horsepower and torque figures. The Acura NSX, for instance, does all of that. It starts with a 3.5-liter V6, but it adds 2 turbochargers and 3 electric motors, 2 of them driving the front wheels. The result? 573 horsepower and 476 pound-feet of torque. Only 7 naturally aspirated V8 engined cars with no turbochargers, superchargers, or hybridizations, make more power. The most powerful of those? The Z06 version of the Chevrolet Corvette. It gets 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque from a 5.5-liter V8. The truck segment is one place where buyers can still choose between a V6 versus V8, and there it's no clearer than the choice between a diesel V6 and a Hemi V8 in the Ram 1500. The right choice will be different for every car buyer, and it comes down to priorities. If towing is on the menu, the V8 is the obvious buy, especially against a non-diesel V6. Each buyer will have a different answer, which is why the choice is still being offered for now. Learn more at Capital One's Auto Learning Center.